Good morning, says Ishwar Pandey to Manoj Tiwari. Walked away and plenty of runs if you go in that area.
ये बढ़िया शॉट है, खराब गेंद और उसको सही नसीहत दी.
Looking to be aggressive. But off the mark with a 6 yesterday and the lofted shot. It's a very quick outfield as a batsman. Don't bother running. Conserve your energy because it's going to be 4. Timed it well. And we'll get a boundary to get to his 50. That's a really good strike from Manoj Tiwari. Gets to 51 with that 4.
एक बार फिर उठाकर मारा है रिद्धिमान साहा ने 4 रन के लिए.
In the air, someone coming underneath it, he's caught it. That's the end of Riddhiman Saha. He was looking to be aggressive. He's gone, he's gone. In the air, but it's safe.
बढ़िया शॉट, बेहतरीन शॉट.
That's a brilliant shot, as we all know that the outfield is too fast. And the ball raises for boundary. Pitch shot, dispatched for 4 because Manoj Tiwari is very, very severe on spinners.
He's putting his bat up. And it's gone all the way to the boundary. So Manoj Tiwari gets a well-deserved 100.
बढ़िया शॉट, स्वीप किया है लगभग मनोज के अंदाज से बल्लेबाजी करते हुए पंकज शॉ 4 रन के लिए. ट्रैवल का मारा है 6 रन के लिए. बढ़िया शॉट, अच्छा कदमों का इस्तेमाल पंकज शॉ के द्वारा. बढ़िया शॉट, अच्छा शॉट, कदमों का बेहतरीन इस्तेमाल 4 रन के लिए.
Once again, he has straight over the top for a huge 6. Played up in the air and Ishwar Pandey strikes.
एक अच्छी पारी खेलकर 124 रन की पारी, बेहतरीन पारी बंगाल के लिए.
इसी के साथ अपना अर्धशतक पूरा करेंगे पंकज शॉ.
Another good shot, this time a deliberate one. Steps out and gives it a whack. He's had enough of Ishwar Pandey bowling on length.
बढ़िया शॉट, अच्छा कदमों का इस्तेमाल और 6 रन के लिए.
Lays the sweep shot and square leg was there to save the single. And he can't save the boundary either.
उठाकर मारा है, भाग्यशाली रहे 4 रन के लिए.
And catches the call this time. Ishwar Pandey should take it. And he's taken a comfortable catch. A very good catch in the end. Oja has gone for a well-made 27 and wicket number 7 has gone down.
बढ़िया शॉट, बेहतरीन शॉट 4 रन के लिए.
Short and wide. Another boundary on the offside. No fielder there.
बहुत बढ़िया कदमों का इस्तेमाल एक बार फिर. दिशा सही चुनी यहां. इस बार डिंडा की बारी थी. कदमों का इस्तेमाल.
Dinda played an excellent shot. Not much feet movement.
बाहरी किनारा लेकिन भाग्य साथ देगा.
Nicely driven. Ball's coming onto the bat. And is hit it in the gap as well. Again, everybody is just watching the ball travel to the boundary quickly. This time from the bat of Dinda. Half century for the first time. Ashok Dinda, we'll take a look at his expression. Short delivery and he's raising the bat. The celebration in the dressing room.
In the air. This time, there's no doubt about that one. That's a terrific catch at mid-on by Punit Datte.
That's in the gap. First delivery, hitting it on the up. It wasn't a half volley. And Veer Pratap Singh gets off the mark with the boundary. Catches the call and taken. This time, airborne, but finding the fielder. Sakure strikes now.
Does he take a single? But he hits it for a boundary. That's a terrific 100. He was destined to get 100. That's his highest score in first-class cricket. That's a magnificent effort.
Hit hard. There'll be more runs. There'll be more boundaries. It's in the air again. And this time it's been taken. Rajat Patidar takes the catch and it's all over. 432 all out. The last man dismissed was the second centurion for Bengal in this innings. Pankaj Shaw, registering his first 100 in Ranji Trophy and in first class cricket, was the man dismissed. And Madhya Pradesh have won by a big margin, 355 runs, and are through to the semi-final of the Paytm Ranji Trophy 2015-16.